Hey there, so in this short video I'm going to talk about how to start collecting Firepush subscribers. In order to do that, you need to click on opt-ins section over here and choose channel. In our case it will be Firepush notifications, so let's do that. When we are inside, we have 4 different ways to collect subscribers. We have slightly more neutral ways to collect subscribers like embed button, and very intrusive ways like a pop-up or flyout widget. Pop-up and flyout widget normally generates way much better results, so let's try to analyze what we can do there. So in a pop-up, which looks like that, you can change title and description, and I would like to propose you to make small amends and make the title sound like this: subscribe and get XX amount of discount within XX time. So if you do that, you will push your clients to subscribe, and at the same time you will create an urgency atmosphere which will help you to push sales. If you do that, make sure that you are showing your pop-up after 8 seconds or after 2 page views, mainly because if you start displaying pop-up straight away, the first thing what your clients will do, they will try to find close button. Even though you have really good deal, they will try to close that pop-up. So give them some time to to adopt your website and then display that specific offer. If you choose to do that, then scroll a bit up. This pop-up will be assigned to welcome push, and just simply enable discount code over here and copy paste that code from your Shopify discount code section. Create it and copy paste it over here, and make sure that you mention that discount code inside button or inside description. So it could sound like this: claim 20% off now. And whenever your customers clicks on that push which they receive, they will go directly to your landing page or to your sales page or to collection page, depends where you are going to redirect them. And then they will start seeing countdown, which looks like that. That countdown automatically will apply discount code during checkout process, and at the same time your customers will have possibility to copy that code. So such strategy will help you to collect way much more subscribers, and at the same time push your clients to make purchase sooner rather than later. I hope it helps, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask our support. We have 24/7 support, which will be more than happy to assist you anytime. Cheers.